Cosplay is not for everyone. Level up your cosplay game so you can cosplay like a pro. Etiquette number 3. Listen up carefully. Cosplay is not for everyone. You heard that right. Not for everyone. Hindi siya para sa mga child molesters, predators, bigots, trolls, backstabbers, online and in real life. The cosplay community is about creativity, passion, respect, and not for bigots whose intention is to just ruin people's lives. Alam ko bilang Pilipino, madami tayong pinagdadaan. Kaya wag na tayong dumagdag sa sakit ng ulo ng mga tao. Once a cosplayer says no to your offer, it's a no. Don't force it. Don't plead. It's a no. This community is about uplifting each other up, sharing the passion and arts with one another. And if your purpose is to just harass, leave. Magagaling tayo magsalita online about people. But know that karma will come free. I may be cosplaying a villain, but I'm not a monster. So please, that is the tip that can enhance your cosplay experience. Be a kind person. Masyado na tayong madaming pinagdadaan ng Pilipino para sumama ka pa sa problema. Learn